Upkeep's work order software makes it easy to manage work orders, track maintenance costs, and simplify maintenance scheduling. To locate specific work orders, you can filter by technician, location, due date, status, and priority level. You can also view work orders from a calendar format. Click on any work order to see what the technician sees or edit the work order details. By default, new work orders are non-recurring, but you can easily turn any work order into a PM with the recurring schedule option. After picking the correct time interval, add other details and create the work order. You can also create PMs on a runtime basis with Upkeep's meters feature. If you want to track maintenance costs and improve schedule compliance, you can add wrench time and cost to work orders. To add time, open a work order and click the Add Time link. To add costs, click the Parts and Cost box. When you add a part to the work order, the specified quantity is deducted from your inventory to ensure you don't underorder or overorder on your next purchase. Finally, you can automatically assign new work orders to specific technicians based on the asset that needs repaired. You can also automatically assign different priority levels, teams, and categories. Automated workflows are great for cutting down on the time needed to approve and create work orders. To start creating work orders for your maintenance team, sign up for a free Upkeep account today.